In today's video, I'm going to teach you using a third-party app. If you want advanced bundle features in your Shopify store, like mix and match sets, customer-built bundles, or tiered discounts, third-party apps are the most flexible and fastest way to get there without custom code. Start by heading to the Shopify App Store and searching for a product bundling app. You can type in terms like bundles, kits, or mix and match. You'll see a variety of options, including examples like simple bundles and kits. As you browse, look at the feature list, screenshots, and demo videos to make sure the app supports the type of bundle you need. Check pricing and trials, read recent reviews, and confirm it works with your current theme and checkout. This quick review helps you avoid surprises later. Once you've chosen an app, install it and follow its setup flow. You'll typically approve permissions, then land in an onboarding guide that walks you through creating your first bundle. Each app's interface is a little different, so let the built-in prompts lead you. If you ever feel stuck, most apps include tooltips or a help center right inside the dashboard. From here, most apps guide you through 3 core tasks: selecting products, setting a bundle price, and customizing how the bundle appears on your storefront. When selecting products, pick the items you want to sell together and decide whether the bundle is a fixed kit or a mix and match experience where customers choose variants or quantities. Pay attention to inventory settings. Some apps treat the bundle as a virtual product that pulls stock from the individual items, which keeps counts accurate. Next, set your pricing. You can usually choose a fixed bundle price, a percentage or dollar off discount, or create tiered discounts that increase as customers add more items. As you decide, think about your margins, shipping costs, and how taxes should apply. If the app offers dynamic pricing, preview how the final price updates as customers build their bundle. Finally, customize the storefront display. Choose how and where the bundle appears: on a dedicated product page, embedded on existing product pages, or as a widget in collections. Adjust titles, descriptions, images, and button text to make the offer clear. Check that the layout looks good on mobile and confirm how the bundle shows in the cart. Some stores prefer a single bundle line, while others list each component. Save your changes and preview the flow from browsing to checkout to make sure everything feels smooth. That's all it takes to launch powerful, flexible bundles using a third-party app.